You should use your. This only does it in 5 minutes.
No, it does the whole thing. It just says 5 minutes. I don't know why. I've recorded up to like a half an hour on there. Well, I just tried to film this look and none of it recorded. I'm very disappointed. Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Jessica, where I post beauty related content and hopefully some art related content soon. If you are interested in seeing the videos that I have to offer, please stick around, hit that subscribe button, like and comment, and it will really help me a lot. My intention for today was to film this look that I have on right now. And I already attempted to do that and failed. But I didn't want to waste the makeup. I think it looks pretty cool. So we're resorting to plan B, which is the unpopular makeup tag, which has been floating around in the beauty YouTube space for a long time now. So I'm like incredibly late to the game. But that's all right. I'm going to do it anyway. So let's get right into it. I'm going to link the original creators of this tag in the description down below. I believe... I'm so prepared. I believe it's Olga and... Oh, excuse me, not Olga. Ola Quinn and Nobody's Beauty Guru. Anyway, I don't know if I'm saying that exactly correctly, but I'll link it down below. And I've seen a few people do this video at this point. So I'm just going to go through the questions and that's it. This is my first time filming something where I'm not applying makeup, so that'll be kind of fun. I'll just get to think about my opinions. So deep. I'll get to think about thinking. Hoy. Anyway, the first question is, popular makeup product you don't like. So I have a super small collection and I do not buy expensive things, almost as a general rule. So anything that's like not drugstore priced is not in my collection. But something that I'm not a big fan of are liquid lipsticks, which are kind of like already fading out of style. They're not super trendy anymore, which I'm happy about. I'm glad bullet lipsticks are more trendy. I wanted to love liquid lipsticks last year, the year before, whatever, and my dry lips just hate them. So I'm glad that that's not really in style anymore. The second question is, popular makeup product or brand that everyone else seems to hate but you love. Again, haven't tried like a plethora of brands or different kinds of products, but I have a palette by NYX that's part of their Elements palette. It's the NYX Earth palette, and people just like hated on that collection, and I don't really know why. I love my Earth palette. I love it. I think the packaging is pretty. I think I can find it. It's behind me somewhere. Here we go. I love this palette. I think it's so cute. I like the color story. I use it a lot. I travel with it. I even use this when I was a bridesmaid in my cousin's wedding. I like it that much. So I don't get why it's hated on. All right, makeup collab you didn't like or were not interested in. If I say all of them, is that a little too salty? I feel like a better question would be, a makeup collab that I'm actually interested in. So that would be very few. I was very excited for, gosh, what's her name? Hey, friends. Oh my gosh. You know, that sweet angel with the bun. Oh, cancel me now. Don't do that, please. Anyway, I was very excited for her. The fact that I cannot think of her name is driving me crazy. Oh my gosh, it's driving me crazy. I'm looking it up as we speak. Will this be edited in a very coherent, wonderful, entertaining way? Oh my gosh, the way I move. Am I the most annoying person ever or what? Anyway, I also did not complete my train of thought. Jesus. I just thought of it. Smoky Glow. I was very excited for her collaboration with Midas Cosmetics because she just seems so sweet. I really appreciate who she is and the work she does outside of YouTube as she's pursuing social work. So I think that's really, really awesome. And I also thought that Desi and Katie collab with, I think it's Dose of Colors, may be wrong, but I thought that palette was so pretty. I think it had that like awesome green in there, and I'm a sucker for them. I thought that was so pretty. I loved that. Not that I have it, but I loved looking at it online. All right, next one. Popular makeup step that you never do. I don't bake a dang thing on my face. None. I barely use powder. I use very little of it. So I don't think I'm ever going to be much of a baker. A face baker. Put the lotion in the basket. Sorry, I never even watched that movie. That movie where he like skins the faces off. I don't watch horror movies. No. I just know that reference from Craig Ferguson. And if you know Craig Ferguson, what's up? Post in the comments down below. A man. Okay. Next one. Popular beauty influencer you don't subscribe to or watch. A lot of them. I really prefer smaller to mid-size YouTubers. I feel like the biggest creators that I watch, who I really, really like, are Samantha Ravindal, Raw Beauty Christie, and Alana Rama. I don't watch James Charles. I don't really watch Manny. I don't really watch Nikki, but I do like Nikki. I just don't really watch her tutorials. I don't know. I don't watch many big YouTubers. I don't watch Jeffree Star. Next one. Popular makeup product or brand that you don't use or support anymore. I haven't used enough makeup to like stop supporting the makeup that I have supported. It'll be interesting to look back on this one day. Think of how cute and naive I was. But at this point, I really haven't like made up my mind on any of that stuff. But I don't know. I also just don't have a lot of products to cancel. But I do try, now that I'm a little more aware, I do try to only purchase things that are cruelty-free. I think I still have a few things in my collection that aren't, but moving forward, my goal is to only purchase cruelty-free things. Really happy that CoverGirl went cruelty-free. That's what's up. Good job, CoverGirl. Next question. Makeup trend that you have no interest in trying. Honestly, I love all creative makeup. So anytime I see anything, I'm usually excited about it and want to try it. But I don't try everything. I don't know. I'm a little tired of the same neutral glam looks, but I mean, they're always beautiful. It's not like I dislike them. I just see them a lot. I like doing them on myself. Oh, this is the last one. We have makeup product that was better in theory than when you used it. Either it swatched better or it worked better on others than on you. Okay, this is very theoretical. I have a problem buying things on sale. If I think it's a really good deal, I might buy it. And then sometimes it turns out to be a horrible product, and that's why it was on sale in the first place. So I bought some of the NYX lingerie liquid lipsticks in a little bundle. Online, they look like just pretty nude colors, but on me, I looked like a carcass. Just like a rotten corpse. And they were the color of zombie lips. And they were so drying. They were terrible. So in theory, online, you know, they're great. And in my hands and on my face, trash garbage. So trying not to make any more rash purchasing decisions like that. Yeah, but that's the only one that comes to mind. All right, I suppose that's it. Thank you for chilling and watching this video, hanging out. If you would like a for real video of how I created this look, please let me know in the comments down below. 7 subscribers, tell me what's up. You want to see this look? So maybe, oh my goodness, I have 8 subscribers now. I am YouTube famous. Anyway, if you want to see how I did this look, you can let me know. And if you have content ideas that you'd really like to see from me, I'd love to hear about it. And I will see you all in the next one. Thank you so much for being here. Truly, I appreciate your time. And I hope that you are all staying healthy and safe. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.